to the channel and welcome to Broad Street, Boston, to this hotel. It's called the Dagny, where we've staying for 4 nights on this trip. A little bit of scaffolding at the bottom, just doing a bit of construction on it, but it's a really nice stay. We're up on the 10th floor, but I thought as usual I'll take you on a little walk around of the hotel, because it is a popular place this. If you look on like TripAdvisor and whatnot, it's like number 2 hotel to stay. It's got really good reviews. It's a great location as well here on Broad Street, because it's just a 2-minute walk up that way up onto State Street here in Boston. So with that being said, let's go take a look. I'll take you straight in the front door. I'll show you the bottom level before we go up to the room, and we'll take from there. Thank you, sir. Cheers. So just as we're coming to the main area off Broad Street, I'll spin you around to the door, because they are trimmed up nice for Christmas. There's the Christmas tree, right, and nice looking ceiling right here. So before we go any further, I'll show you this little area. It's called the library. It's very quiet and chilled. It's nicely set up. You can even write a letter to Santa there in the middle. How cool is that? And then we've got it's called the Finn Restaurant and Bar, I believe it's called. Finn Point. There you go. It's the restaurant and bar here. Shuts early. Nice food, good drinks, nice service. Just show you quickly. I love it's all trimmed up, but we've come at a great time at Boston, all trimmed up for Christmas. Nice, cold obviously, but yeah, it's pretty decent. That's the Finn Point restaurant. You can access this from street level also if you're not in the hotel. It's open to all, as is the coffee shop, which I'll show you in a minute. It's not a huge area down here in the lobby. There's the guest elevators right here on either side of me. But yeah, pretty happy with this place. It's a decent one, it really is. So we'll come through here, and this is the main reception. Still some nice bits and pieces for Christmas. Look, Christmas trees everywhere. All this, it's lovely. And that's an exit onto the opposite street, adjacent street to Broad Street. There's your reception area. More Christmas decorations. Claire loves it. She loves the festivities. And right here, this is the Tradesman coffee shop and lounge. This is really nice, this place actually, and we get a little bit of credit for this weird room. Just walking, but the food and the breakfast items in here are really nice, and it's big as well, as you can see. I'll come over here. So this is obvious. This is accessible from street level as well. It's not just for guests of the hotel. So yeah, really nice coffee shop. Had a breakfast sandwich in there the other morning. Yeah, delicious it were. Yeah, I'll take you back through here, and that's basically all you need to see in the bottom level where the guest elevators are of the Dagny, Boston. So from there, I'll take you to the guest elevators. I'll take you to the 10th floor, which we are staying in, and I will show you our room, which is a superior room here at the Dagny. And also, before we go up, you've got a fitness centre on level 3 and more meeting rooms. But I'll try and get the elevator. There we go, up to level 10. And there's a funny shaped key card. There we go. Up we go. There's only 15 floors and we're on 10. So you're up there. This is room 1034 of the Dagny here in Boston, and this is a superior king room. It's a really well rated hotel, as I've just said, downstairs. The main body of the room, it's really big, really spacious, but we'll start over here. Just as you come through the door, I've got a closet, ironing board and all the usuals, gowns, slippers and everything. Just put a couple of those bags in there. And the bathroom's right by the side of that. It's quite a narrow bathroom, but it's still fairly spacious. But there's a lot of room between as you come in and the sink, and big showers over there. But yeah, just get everything you need. Nice products, plenty of plug points, all the usuals. Nice shower, quite a spacious shower. Huge well lit mirror in the bathroom. Again, it's quite narrow, you see the door just kind of comes in there. But it is a nice room though, nevertheless. It's as you saw downstairs, it's quite like Art Deco looking and traditional Boston style. Massive king bed with 2 seats right here. If you opt for like a suite in this hotel, it's got like the chairs, but it's got like a separate room. A lot of nice artwork. This bedside drawer's got the safe right in there. Huge Samsung TV. Lots of drawer space. And right in here's got all like your glasses and all your cocktailware. And this one, there's a fridge right here. Empty fridge. It's nice just for the cold drinks in cold Boston. Complimentary coffees with the maker. A few complimentary waters. Little desk, nice leather chair. Can't really see because it's dark outside the buildings. I'll show you some shots obviously in the daytime. Comfy seating right here. So at first glance in the room it looks like it's a little bit awkward for plug sockets, as there's plug sockets on like this side of the room away from your bed, but if you look closely, right at the side of the bed, at the side of the units, there's a little station there. It's got 2 plug sockets and 2 USBs, but when you look it's really tucked in at the edge, and they've got one on both sides, so it is handy still. So this room's in a bit of an alcove, but you can see out onto the street there. All in all, it's a nice room, and it's a nice place here in Boston. So that's the superior room here at the Dagny. Nice little stay.